Hello, trading is closed on February 13th, 2018. Let's review yesterday's calls. I wanted to see a pattern with an early low and a late high, tendency to rally into the close. We got that. Tomorrow's pattern should have the early low. We said that yesterday's action was negative, would lead to lower prices unless we gapped up and we started out with lower prices. So we got that. Today is one of my dates to watch. Be nice if it were a high, but as I say, the system I'm looking at has some incredible hits and some complete misses. I don't know at this point which that one's going to be. During the day, MEJT gave a buy. The buy signal in MEJT just means there's a target at a higher price. There was a target, it was satisfied immediately, and there was resistance over it. So even though it worked, it really wasn't a trade. That's not unusual. Had we dropped, the MEJT system would have said the drop wouldn't stick. Had we gone up, it would have said it wouldn't have to retrace. All that happened, though, was you got higher prices and met resistance. Hard to trade that. We have positive and negative signs from today's trade. Commonest consequence of that is we gap next day. Probably take out either the high or the low. Next most common is we close a little change, have the big move the day after. Neither of those two things have to happen, but usually one or the other will. It's positive that we have hit our heads against this resistance. Here's the Fibonacci resistance. Knocked up against this resistance over and over again. Usually when you hit resistance over and over again, you break through. What's not so good is after rallying all day long and really almost 2 days of rally, we can't close over any of these highs. Can't close over the middle of the day high. Can't close over yesterday's highs. It's negative unless we gap up and promptly take out these highs. We also could have an ABC up. If that's A, and that's B, .38.2 is wave C right over there. Let's not forget, we've completed a major top. The last leg of wave brown C hit 5 waves up. I think we'll see either 3 or 5 waves down. As far as I'm concerned, it isn't complete. Wouldn't surprise me if the next move down hit the 2350 area. So with that perspective, I think anyone who's trying to play for slightly higher prices without a close stop is missing the forest for the trees. We could go higher than that, but a big drop has started, and there's more to come. The open should decide what happens tomorrow. Pattern with an early low does not preclude gapping up first, but if we go over this, we can go higher. If we don't go over this, right at the open, we could be starting a big move down, and that's today's call.